Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the ChatGPT application on your Android device.
To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started.
Now, first of all, I must tell you that there is no official application released by OpenAI for the ChatGPT application on Android or any other device. So in order to use the ChatGPT application, you will need to install the app from the website. So just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just type in chat.openai.com and then press the go button. You will now be asked to log into your account. So just go ahead and log into your account, and then you will end up in the ChatGPT homepage. Now, once you're on this page, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser. Now, from this menu, just tap on Add to Home Screen, and then name the application whatever you want. Tap on the Add button, and you will be asked whether you want to add this application to your home screen. Just tap on the Add button, and now you will be able to find the ChatGPT shortcut on your home screen. You can simply tap on it to use ChatGPT. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the ChatGPT application on your smartphone.
If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.